To activate the CDRC Blood Borne Virus protocols, you will need to navigate to Resource Publisher, Protocols and Templates. Go to Shared Folders, CBC Health, CDRC Resources, CDRC Precision, and there's a folder called CDRC Protocols Manual Activation Needed. Click on this folder, you'll see that currently there are only 2 protocols and they both relate to blood-borne viruses. If you right-click, go to Status, and then select Activate, this will activate the protocols for use in your system. Note both of these protocols are already activated in my system. Once activated, the system prompts the user to consider testing in 2 ways. The first of these is via a hard prompt, which appears on loading a patient record. It will explain which testing the patient is eligible for, in this case, Hep B, Hep C, and HIV. When you click OK, you're given the option to go to the BBV template. For this example, I'm going to click No, because I'm going to show you this second prompt for considering testing. This is via a soft prompt, which is located in the ZAP box, which EMIS users should be familiar with. The alert will state CDRC consider BBV testing. If you hover over the alert, a dialog box will appear to indicate which testing should be considered. Again, in this case, it is Hep B, C, and HIV. Double-clicking the alert will open the clinical template to provide further information. The template allows you to code whether screening has been offered or declined for each of the individual tests. And individualized alert panels will appear to explain why the patient is eligible for testing. In this case, it is because of a persistently raised ALT on blood tests, a drug abuse code, and additionally in the HIV section, which is towards the bottom of the template, it's because of repeated issues of acyclovir. The hard prompt will also be activated when a user performs certain actions which meet the criteria in the background, whether a relevant code is added or medication is issued. In this instance, if you were to issue acyclovir again, the hard prompt will appear again to remind you that this patient is now eligible for HIV, Hep B, and hepatitis testing. These prompts are linked to over 100 interlinked concepts that run in the background of your clinical system. A full list of the prompts can be found on the CDRC website. As this system is built directly in your clinical system, there is no need for additional web platforms or applications.